Racing Jazz is started with Vonday Junction. Break quickly at the start. Good Boss is running by the rail. Precious Jewel in between horses is straight down. Rushing up down on the inside is Tunnel Vision. And on the outside comes Silver Champ. Then next on line now is Perfect Stroke. Is Spicy Time. G's Price. Then followed now by Blue Sapphire, while Toscana is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. Half-mile distance, they traveled with Vonday Junction. Tunnel Vision is running by the rail. Then here comes Precious Jewel together with Silver Champ on the outside. Down in fifth now is Street Down. The next online is Good Boss. Then followed now by Perfect Stroke. And they are now entering the home stretch with Vonday Junction is still in control. Tunnel Vision in second. Then next outline is Silver Champ. Down on the inside is Precious Jewel with about 150 meters more to run. We have Vonday Junction this time by about 5 lengths, followed now by Precious Jewel, Silver Champ, Tunnel Vision, and finally from start to finish it's Vonday Junction. Precious Jewel, Silver Champ, Tunnel Vision, Street Down, Perfect Stroke.
Okay, wire-to-wire win. O ano lang to, no?